look at this. What the hell is this? What? Wow, car mounts, huh? But I've never seen something like this. Quick charge. So it even charges for you? Wow. I don't even know what this is. What is this? It's like hold your phone or something? I don't even know. Ah, this thing. I think it's a blow dryer. Yeah. Let's try it out. Oh, I can't. Interesting. Tripods. What is this? Oh, selfie sticks. Selfie sticks. Keychains. Wow. Headphones. You know they love Apple in China. You would think they wouldn't love Apple, but like, even though there's so many random other companies, Apple's still a big company in China itself. Even though they're the ones making it. It's kind of funny. I don't know. I just always thought that maybe Huawei is bigger. Huawei is bigger, but like Apple's amazing too. I mean, like look at these earbuds. Aren't these like modeled after Apple? What the hell is this? I see this all the time everywhere, like these little fans. Oh, oh, I can feel it. I think I'll have to buy something like this. What is this? Oh, it's a fan. This is a fan too. Interesting. Oh, you feel it here. Oh, it even tells you how much. Amazing. I'm gonna buy this. I ain't gonna lie. It's hot as shit. It's only $39 you said. So I think that's like, what is that, like divided by 7? That's like $4. I think like that $4. I'll buy it. These are like power banks. Oh, here's the cost. Even put it there. It's not much money. I do need a power bank, low key. I like buying everything. These power banks. Should I buy a power bank? Oh, this one. Oh. 10,000. 10,000. I'm interested in this one. I seen something like this on Alibaba. I'm not gonna lie. They got everything, all the plugs. And I think it displays even the charge for you. You got one piece. Look at these cases, man. These are not even a lot of money. Oh, MagSafe. AirPods. 129 R&B. 129. Oh. 69. I wonder why, like, this is 69 and then this is like 89. I mean, it's like the same AirPod Pro Max. Is it like quality or something? You guys not really explaining to me a lot. 69. I think that's like $10. This is like $11. This is like 12 bucks or something. This is like 14 bucks. It's not even much. Oh, look at this. Sweet, huh? Supercharged. Wow. Amazing. I want to have a shop like this in Hargeisa, man. I ain't gonna lie. Look at this. They got everything. Amazing. Beautiful. Excellent.